morning, everyone. Your girl is on her way from Pretoria to Cape Town. I am going to attend a leadership workshop, so it is going to be hectic, but whatever I see, you're going to see, and that's on period. This morning, I am traveling with my friend Josiah. He's a Mandela Rose scholar from Kenya, and he has been so kind, showing me around, and I mean, he really, really likes the content that I create. And the streets this morning, oh, Pretoria is so green and so beautiful. We are running a little late, which is something I have been trying to point out to Josiah, but he's like, we will make it. And I'm like, okay, let's do this, guys. Hey guys, so I just got at the Lauretta Airport in Johannesburg. I'm here with Josiah. Josiah, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Josiah is from Kenya. We boarding starts in like 6 minutes, so now we're actually trying to run. Hey guys, so we made it. We're not late. We're late, but we still made it. So there's that too.
Big bucks.
Yeah. So we thought these bags were going as carry on, but they're not. So we have to check them in. Desire, how is it running?
Yo, I think I was able to manage. Some adrenaline helps.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we just got to Cape Town. Welcome to Cape Town. I am super excited. Apparently Cape Town is supposed to be cold, but the sun is shining right now and I'm hoping that it remains like this. So, hey. We are at the airport to get on the flight to Cape Town. And I'm just realizing that all the scholars traveled from Johannesburg, so we're all meeting up together to fly to Cape Town, which is super nice, by the way.
Hi people, my name is Rose. We're supposed to ask I'm a Mandela Rose scholar.
Yes!
2025.
Period. God, after a really long day of learning, networking with people from different parts of Africa, we're finally checking in our rooms. And oh my God, this cannot be the room I am staying in. I have a roommate. My roommate is not here yet, so I am free to record. But oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, no. Oh my God, this is so nice. Oh. Hey guys, so I have freshened up already and I think this is what I'm going to wear to dinner. I don't know yet, but I think it's showing a little bit skin, so I don't know if that's something I want to wear to dinner with my colleagues, but yeah. Hey guys, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Hello everyone. Today is my second day in Cape Town and so far so good. I can attest to the fact that Cape Town has beautiful beaches and the sunset is I am a girl who loves sunrises and sunsets. I believe a sunrise is proof that beginnings can be beautiful and sunsets are proof that endings can be beautiful as well. So Cape Town has like really nice sunset and I'm like, oh my God. leadership dinner for the workshop that I'm attending, and well, just the whole packing from Liberia, coming here, rushing everything. I didn't really pack anything African other than this, and I didn't bring heels or anything. So and I didn't get the chance to do that in Pretoria before coming to the workshop. So I told myself that, okay, when I get to the hotel, we have some free time in between, I'll just go to the mall. But apparently this place is so classic. They don't have those little malls around, you know. They don't have Mr. Price or anything like that. So, and I don't know Cape Town, you know. Even in Pretoria that I'm in, I don't know. So this is what I have. I'm just trying to be very, very creative. And no, I'm not wearing this. I'm just trying to lay my head down because I couldn't even do it before coming. Now I feel like I don't look good. At least my face card doesn't decline, I believe. Yeah, I think this looks cool. I'm not satisfied because I feel like I'm not looking my best, but that's fine. We all learn from our mistakes, so period. Hey guys, thank you all so much for watching my vlog. Thank you all for being so consistent. I am back again and I'm hoping to be consistent. Let me stop moving. I think that's a little annoying. But the past few days in Cape Town has been really educative because of the workshop that I had to attend. It has been fun. It has been really eye-opening, amazing, and Cape Town is such a beautiful, beautiful city, and I really look forward to coming back and exploring, you know, and just gaining the fullness of it. But for now, I'm super grateful, and yeah, you should know I had a lot of fun because this is not how I sound normally, okay? Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being so consistent. I love you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notifications bell. See you.